I have swatched 3 cool tone eyeshadow on the back of my hand. I want you to take a look at it and then I'll explain to you why I'm showing you these 3 cool tones. There are many other cool tones, but I'm swatching 3 so we don't get lost with the explanation. These are the 3. There is a blue, cool tone blue. This one is a cool tone brown in the middle. And then this is a cool tone purple. Hopefully you can see the undertones in them. If you look at the brown, you'll see there's a gray undertone to it. That's them on my finger. 3 shades. I put the cool tone brown that's on the back of my hand. I put it over here so I can show you better the example of a cool tone. So I can show you the example of a cool tone brown. This is the cool tone brown. If you have cool tone skin, you want cool tone browns to make your eyes pop. When you put those eyeshadow colors on your eyes, it makes it a whole lot different than when you use a brown which has warm undertone. This is a warm undertone brown, and I wanted to show you the difference. One has red in there, which is the warm one, and the cool tone has gray. When you're looking for cool tone browns, you want something like a taupe or a soft brown. Again, cool tone purple. Cool tone purple. I'm going to put a purple with a warm tone next to it so you can see. Cool tone purple, warm tone purple. You see the difference? The cool tone has a purplish bluish undertone. This one has a reddish brownish undertone. So that's the difference between cool tone. You can mix them. I like mixing all colors because that's how you find what you're looking for. But if you want your eye look to pop on any given day and your cool tone, just use all cool tone shades and you'll see the difference. You will definitely see the difference. And I'm going to create one cool tone eyeshadow look for you to see today, how it pops on my eyes. For cool tones, purples, blues, lavenders, lilac, cobalt blue, and navy. Those in the cool tone family. And then for the metallics, you want to do silver. Let me show you a silver. This is a silver right here. I add a cool tone blue. Also, if you notice, they have either a grayish, bluish, pinkish undertone. Because remember, if you're cool tone, you have the pinkish and the bluish and the purplish in your skin tone. Cool tone brown, cool tone purple, cool tone gray and blue. Again, there are many other shades that you can find cool tone in there. You just have to look for them if you're cool tone. Like me, I am cool. I love silver earrings. And I just love mixing colors. But if I really want to pop, I go into the blues or the purples, the pinks, not the warm, but the cool tone ones. I add some more cool tones for you to see. The first 2 browns are cool tone. Take a look. Third brown is a warm tone. We're talking about cool tones. The first 2 browns are cool tone. More to the purple. You see 2 purples. One is more like a lilac. One is a purple. Cool tone. But the next purple next to it, that's warm. And then I have the silvers and blues. I add more cool tone so you can see. So you have an idea of what I'm talking about. So these are the cool tones. I'm going to cross out the warm tone so you're not mixed up. I put an X on the warm tone. So if you look at everything I have other than the X, they're all cool tone. I'm going to create a cool tone eye look using all cool tones so you can see what it looks like on me. Again, purples, blues, silvers, and grays, they complement cool skin tones. These cool tone colors make your eyes pop. I hope that was helpful to you. If so, please let me know in the comments. You can mix any colors you love and play with your colors, each and every one. Mix them up. This is how you get to create new things. But if you want your eye to pop and you are a cool skin tone, use cool colors. And if you try that, let me know because I know you'll see a difference. Today's I am came from the comments and it is, I am grateful for my journey. I am grateful for my journey. I hope you are grateful for your journey no matter where it has started or where it's going or where it might go. Be thankful because there is a reason for every single thing that happens in our life. Whether we see it as good or we see it as bad. Whatever definition we give it, that's what it is. But please be thankful for the journey in your life. Cool tones, eyeshadows. That's just some. Always remember you first. Love yourself daily, each and every day. Life is precious. Life is short. Enjoy it the best way you can. And until I see you and you see me, I am asking you to just be blessed. Be blessed.